Hello everyone, today I want to share how to make photo sharpening without noise. Okay, first we must do is we duplicate the image. After we duplicate the image, click filter, other, high pass. Okay, change high pass around 2 pixel or 3 pixel. Okay, if you use 3 pixel, the image more sharpen than the 2 pixel. So I will choose 3 pixel. Okay, after that click image, adjustment, use saturation, set saturation to -100, and to reduce the noise we click filter, noise, reduce noise. Okay, change strength to 10 and reduce color noise to 100 pixel. Set preferred detail 0% and sharpen detail 0%. After that click OK and change blending mode to linear light. Okay, this is the result and this is the before and after. Okay, I will teach you another tips to make it more faster. You can delete the sharpening layer. Okay, we will make action. We click new layer. Sorry, first we must click Windows action. After that click new action, we name it sharpening and start record. Okay, click new layer. After that press Ctrl Shift Alt E or Command Shift Alt E if you using MacBook. It make duplicate from the background. After that we click filter, other, high pass again, 3 pixel. Okay, remember image adjustment, use saturation -100 and click filter, noise, reduce noise, strength 10, reduce color noise 100% and click OK. After that change blending mode to linear light. Okay, stop the action and this is the action to make faster sharpening for you. So you can change the opacity if the image too strong, and you can adjust whatever you like. Okay, and I will delete again. And if you want to start sharpening to another photo, you can click the action, sharpening action, and click play, and the result is voila, done. It more faster for you. I hope this tutorial help you to edit the photo and sharpening the photo. Hope you like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.